Difference between normal parrotfish and King Kong parrot. Parrotfish are known for their vibrant colors and distinctive appearance, making them popular choices for aquarium enthusiasts. Within the realm of parrotfish, the King Kong parrot stands out with its unique characteristics. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 15 key differences between a normal parrotfish and the King Kong parrot, shedding light on their individual traits and characteristics. To begin with, physical appearance and body shape. Let's first discuss about normal parrotfish. The normal parrotfish typically has a more streamlined and elongated body shape. Their bodies may exhibit a moderate curvature resembling the traditional parrotfish silhouette. Colors can vary widely, including shades of red, orange, blue, and yellow. Depending on the specific species, normal parrotfish may display unique patterns and color combinations, contributing to their individual beauty. Now about the King Kong parrot. The King Kong parrot boasts a distinctively rounded and bulbous body shape. Their bodies often resemble a more pronounced oval or even a heart shape. The overall appearance is more compact compared to the elongated silhouette of a normal parrotfish. The rounded body shape of the King Kong parrot is a defining feature that sets it apart from other parrotfish varieties. Now let's discuss the head shape and beak structure. For normal parrotfish, the head of it is typically featuring a more traditional parrot-like shape. The beak is often sharper and more pointed, resembling the beak of a conventional parrot. The head may have less pronounced cheek formations. The beak structure of normal parrotfish is adapted for feeding on algae and coral. Now about King Kong parrot. The King Kong parrot is characterized by a distinctive head shape. Their heads often exhibit prominent cheek formations, giving them a more rounded facial appearance. The beak may appear more rounded and blunt compared to the sharper beak of normal parrotfish. The unique head shape of King Kong parrots is a result of selective breeding to achieve the desired aesthetic. Now let's discuss tail shape and fin configuration. For normal parrotfish, the tail of a normal parrotfish is typically more traditional in shape, often forked or slightly rounded. Fins are proportional to the body size and exhibit a standard configuration. The caudal fin or tail fin may have a more streamlined appearance. The fins of normal parrotfish contribute to their efficient swimming and maneuverability in aquatic environments. Now let's for King Kong parrots. King Kong parrots may have a tail that is more squared or slightly rounded. Fins, including the caudal fin, may appear larger and more pronounced in relation to their body size. The tail and fins contribute to the overall rounded appearance of the King Kong parrot. The tail and fin configuration of King Kong parrots is often a result of selective breeding for aesthetic appeal. Then comes coloration and patterns. Coloration in normal parrotfish varies widely and can include shades of red, orange, blue, yellow, and green. Some species may exhibit intricate patterns and markings on their bodies. The color intensity can be influenced by factors such as diet and environmental conditions. The vibrant colors of normal parrotfish serve multiple purposes, including camouflage and communication. Now for King Kong parrot. King Kong parrots are renowned for their bold and bright colors. Common hues include vibrant red, orange, and yellow. Some King Kong parrots may have a solid coloration without intricate patterns. The intense and uniform coloration of King Kong parrots is often a sought-after feature among aquarium enthusiasts. Now let's discuss scale, texture, and skin characteristics. For normal parrotfish, the scales of normal parrotfish can vary in texture, with some species having smooth scales and others exhibiting a more textured or rough appearance. Skin may be iridescent, contributing to the overall vibrant appearance. The texture of scales in normal parrotfish can be influenced by factors such as age and environmental conditions. Now for King Kong parrot. King Kong parrots may have smoother and more uniform scales. The skin of King Kong parrots often has a glossy or metallic sheen, enhancing the brilliance of their coloration. The overall skin texture contributes to their polished and eye catching appearance. The glossy appearance of King Kong parrots is a result of selective breeding to achieve a specific visual effect. Now, about size and growth rate. For normal parrotfish, the size of normal parrotfish varies widely among different species. Growth rates can be influenced by factors such as diet, water quality, and tank conditions. Adult sizes may range from a few inches to well over a foot, depending on the species. Providing a well balanced diet and suitable tank conditions is essential for healthy growth in normal parrotfish. Now, about King Kong parrot. King Kong parrots are often bred for a specific size, and their growth rates can be influenced by selective breeding. Adult sizes of King Kong parrots are generally more uniform compared to the varied sizes of normal parrotfish. The average size of a mature King Kong parrot is often in the range of 8 to 12 inches. The controlled breeding of King Kong parrots aims to produce fish with specific characteristics, including a predetermined size. Next comes feeding behavior and dietary preferences. For normal parrotfish, normal parrotfish exhibit a herbivorous feeding behavior, primarily consuming algae, coral, and small invertebrates. Their beak structure is adapted for scraping and crushing hard substances such as coral. Providing a diet rich in plant based foods and ensuring access to suitable substrate for scraping are essential for normal parrotfish health. Now, about King Kong parrot. King Kong parrots share similar herbivorous feeding habits with normal parrotfish. Their beak structure, while modified for aesthetic purposes, retains the ability to process a variety of plant based foods. A balanced diet that includes high quality pellets, vegetables, and occasional treats supports the health and coloration of King Kong parrots. Now, let's discuss tank compatibility and social behavior. For normal parrotfish, the compatibility of normal parrotfish with other species depends on the specific type of parrotfish and the tank setup. Some species can be territorial, especially during breeding periods. Tank mates should be chosen carefully to avoid aggression, and providing adequate hiding spots can help reduce stress. Now, for King Kong parrots. King Kong parrots are known for their generally peaceful temperament. They are often compatible with a variety of tank mates, but it's essential to consider the individual personalities of each fish. While King Kong parrots can coexist with other fish, monitoring their behavior and providing a well structured tank environment is crucial. Now, about the breeding characteristics. For normal parrotfish, breeding behaviors vary among different species of normal parrotfish. Some species exhibit elaborate courtship rituals and create nests for egg laying. Successful breeding in normal parrotfish may require specific environmental conditions, including proper substrate for egg laying. Now, about King Kong parrots. King Kong parrots, being selectively bred, may exhibit modified breeding behaviors. Breeding success may depend on factors such as water quality, tank conditions, and the compatibility of mating pairs. While King Kong parrots can breed in captivity, achieving successful breeding may require careful monitoring and intervention. Now, about the price and availability. For normal parrotfish, the price and availability of normal parrotfish can vary widely based on the species and their popularity in the aquarium trade. Common varieties may be more readily available and affordable. Rare or exotic species of normal parrotfish may be harder to find and command higher prices. Now for King Kong parrots. King Kong parrots are often considered a specialty or designer fish, and their prices can be relatively higher than those of common parrotfish varieties. Availability may also vary depending on regional factors and breeding practices. The unique appearance of King Kong parrots contributes to their desirability, influencing both price and availability. Now, hybrid origins and genetic traits of these fish. For normal parrotfish, which is generally recognized as distinct species within the parrotfish family, their genetic traits and characteristics are shaped by natural selection and adaptation to specific environments. Hybrids involving normal parrotfish are less common, and most variations are attributed to natural genetic diversity within the species. Now, for King Kong parrot. King Kong parrots are often considered hybrid fish resulting from selective breeding. Their genetic traits are deliberately manipulated to achieve specific aesthetic features, including body shape and coloration. The hybrid nature of King Kong parrots raises discussion about ethical breeding practices within the aquarium community. Now, let's discuss color stability and changes. For normal parrotfish, the color stability of normal parrotfish can be influenced by factors such as diet, environment, and age. Changes in coloration may occur in response to breeding conditions or health factors. Maintaining optimal conditions and providing a nutritious diet contribute to stable and vibrant colors in normal parrotfish. For King Kong parrots, King Kong parrots are often bred for color stability, and their vibrant hues remain relatively consistent. Changes in coloration may occur over time due to factors like diet, but the overall intensity is typically maintained. The selective breeding of King Kong parrots aim to produce fish with enduring and striking coloration. Now comes health consideration and genetic impact. The health of normal parrotfish is influenced by factors such as water quality, diet, and environmental conditions. Genetic factors within the species contribute to overall hardiness and resilience. Regular health checks, proper nutrition, and suitable tank conditions are essential for maintaining the well being of normal parrotfish. Now, for King Kong parrot. King Kong parrots may be more susceptible to certain health issues due to the specific genetic traits bred into them. Careful breeding practices and attention to genetic diversity are essential to minimize potential health concerns. Responsible breeding practices focus on the overall health and well being of King Kong parrots, addressing potential genetic impacts. Now comes ethical consideration in breeding practices. For normal parrotfish, breeding in normal parrotfish, especially in captivity, often aligns with natural reproduction behaviors. Ethical considerations involve providing suitable tank conditions and ensuring responsible breeding practices. Conservation efforts may focus on protecting natural habitats and preserve the genetic diversity of normal parrotfish. Now for King Kong parrot. Ethical considerations in King Kong parrot breeding involve debates about selectively bred features and potential impacts on fish health. Responsible breeders prioritize the well being of the fish and maintain genetic diversity. Ongoing discussions within the aquarium community emphasize ethical breeding practices, transparency, and the welfare of the fish. Lastly, about the educational and conservation significance for normal parrotfish. Normal parrotfish play important roles in marine ecosystems, contributing to coral health and algae control. They serve as educational ambassadors, showcasing the diversity of marine life. Conservation efforts often focus on preserving the natural habitats and biodiversity of normal parrotfish species. Now, about King Kong parrot. King Kong parrots, while captivating in aquariums, do not have the same ecological significance as their wild counterparts. They contribute to education about selective breeding practices within the aquarium hobby. The popularity of King Kong parrots underscores the need for responsible ownership and breeding practices within the aquarium community. Friends, this video of the differences between normal parrotfish and King Kong parrot provides enthusiasts with a detailed understanding of the distinct characteristics and variety which defines both of them. By appreciating the unique traits of these captivating fish, aquarium enthusiasts can make informed decisions about their selection, care, and conservation efforts within the broader context of responsible fish keeping.